Silo Season 3. We have been waiting for this. After the explosive events of Season 2, we are desperate to know what happens next. Will Juliet finally uncover the truth about the outside world? Will the rebellion succeed? And who can we trust in this suffocating environment? This season is going to be a wild ride, and I can't wait to discuss it all with you. Filming for Season 3 and 4 is happening concurrently, suggesting a quicker turnaround than the long wait between Seasons 1 and 2. Showrunner Graham Yost has promised that Season 3 will be a better lead than the often dark Season 2, addressing a common viewer complaint. The shocking Season 2 finale left many questions unanswered, setting the stage for a season filled with intrigue and suspense. Season 3 will delve deeper into the past, exploring the events that led to the creation of the dystopian world and the Silos. This could involve flashbacks, new characters, and revelations about the past that challenge the established narrative. The Season 2 finale left Juliet's fate uncertain after the explosion. Season 3 will likely reveal her survival and explore the consequences of her actions. The rebellion in Silo 18 gained momentum in Season 2. Season 3 will likely depict the aftermath of the rebellion, the challenges faced by the rebels, and their continued struggle for freedom. The upcoming season may reveal more about its origins, its true intentions, and its level of control over the Silo population. The search for truth about the outside world and the true purpose of the Silos will continue to be a central theme. Expect more twists, turns, and shocking revelations as characters uncover hidden truths and the challenges establish order. While a release date for Season 3 has not yet been announced, the production progress and the creative team's plans suggest an exciting and potentially game-changing season for Silo. Given the back-to-back filming schedule, it's possible that Season 3 could arrive as early as late 2025, though a mid-2026 release seems more likely. Well, that was intense. What do you think of Silo Season 3? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.